Hello friends, day 137. Can you believe it? I left Yeoford this morning and the first 10 miles or so today was along roads, nice quiet roads, and that's happening quite a lot down this area in Devon, and I think it'll be the same in Cornwall because there aren't that many long distance paths, and I don't like to use the local paths, local footpaths, because they're so often blocked. Gosh, it's windy tonight up here. I'm on the edge of Dartmoor. After the road section, I then went onto the Tarka trail, and that took me up onto Dartmoor for a little while, and then I came down into Oakhampton, and I needed to get some food, and there was a co-op in Oakhampton, but it closed at 4 o'clock, and I got there with literally 5 minutes to spare. So I've got some food for tonight and tomorrow. That's great. And then I walked along the Granite Way out of Oakhampton, and I've done about 3 miles from there. It's been another good day today. I haven't met that many people on the trail today, but I'm hoping that will change tomorrow. So let's see where I've been, and I'll see you on the trail. This is my very windy room with a view tonight, right on the edge of Dartmoor, with a few cattle and some Dartmoor ponies for company. Oh, the wind there.